All right, so for example 9 here, let's go ahead and let's start proving this first one. So we're doing a proof, so I'm going to draw my line, but guys, I know my writing is going to take me a little bit to expand that, so I'm going to move my line over a little. Just adjust it there. All right, so what can I do on this left side?
You can distribute.
I can't distribute because that's sine of, okay? That's like f of x plus 4. We don't distribute the f, okay? So we're going to have to use our sum of sines. So this is just our alpha and our beta. So we do that. We get sine of alpha, which is x, cosine of beta, which is pi, plus cosine of alpha, which is x, sine of beta, which is pi. And then because we have an angle, we know we can use the ordered pair to help us simplify it. So our angle that they gave us there is pi. What is the ordered pair for pi?
-1, 0.
All right, so now that we've got this, let's go through it. So what is sine of x? Yeah, they didn't tell us anything, so it's going to say sine of x. What is cosine? Oops, I put beta there as well. Sorry. What is cosine of pi? Plus, then we just have cosine of x. And what is sine of pi? So let's simplify. What's sine of x times -1? Plus cosine times 0. And then add them together and we get, which is what we were trying to prove it was equal to. So for the second one here, I'm going to draw my line. We're going to work the left or the right? The left. So what can we do to that?
We can do the identity.
Yeah, it's the sum of cosines, right? So here's my alpha and my beta. So cosine of alpha, cosine of beta, minus, remember cosines, the sign in the middle is different. So then sine of alpha and sine of the beta. And anytime we have an angle, we're going to go find its ordered pair.
0 and -1.
Good. And then plug in what you can. So cosine of x stays cosine of x. Cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0. Minus sine of x. And then sine of 3 pi over 2 is so cosine times 0 is
0.
negative sine times -1 is positive sine, and 0 plus sine will give us the sign that we were looking for.